How to record PAYG amount. Do you need to record a PAYG payment? Let us show you how to do this. On the left-hand menu, select GST. Here in the GST Centre, you can see an overview of the previous BAS you have lodged and the next period that needs to be lodged. Next to the BAS tab, you have the Payments tab. Select the Payments tab. To record your first PAYG payment, select Record PAYG Payment. Select the bank account where the payment is being made from. Select the adjustment date. The date can be any time during the month that it refers to. Record the payment date of when this payment was actually made. Enter the payment amount. Add memo if required, and select Save. You can now see the payment you created listed here.